What is traded in Forex? In the world of Forex trading, what's traded is money, specifically currencies. To simplify complex concept, let's use an analogy. Think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country, much like purchasing shares in a company. The value of a currency typically reflects the market's view of the current and future state of that country's economy. So, when you buy a currency, like the Japanese yen, JPY, you're investing in the Japanese economy, betting that it's doing well and will improve over time. Later sell those shares back to the market. Ideally, you make a profit. Essentially, the exchange rate of one currency against another is a reflection of the economic condition of the respective countries. Currencies are the most traded and represent some of the world's largest economies. There is a bit of debate on what qualifies as major currencies, but to keep it simple, we consider all 8 of them as the majors. These are identified by 3-letter symbols like USD, United States dollar, EUR, Euro, JPY, Japanese yen, GBP, Great British Pound, dollar.